Hey guys, welcome to Soundcheck. This is your top resource for all things arts and entertainment in the Las Vegas area. I'm Brittani Jenee. We're here in the LVCS live music venue right above Hennessy's Tavern in downtown Las Vegas. Usually when people come to Vegas, the first thing they think about is the Strip, but they don't realize all the art and culture that we have available here in the city. The real treasure lies 2 miles off the Strip on Fremont Street. That is where many aspiring artists and musicians showcase their greatest crafts and talents. Throughout the season, we'll be taking a look at not only the art and the artists, but the people and the places that make it so we can enjoy it. Today, we have a real treat for you. Alien Ant Farm just started their tour here in Vegas on July 15th. Soundcheck got an exclusive interview with a couple of the band members, and we were able to put together some live footage of their new song, Yellow Pages. Let's take a quick peek. Before we get to the interview, let's take a quick look at what else we have for you guys on this episode. Like our visit with Zayna and the Chosen Ones.
Did you have to go through a lot of people?
A lot of crazy people. And I came up with these guys, and so we decided, I said they were the chosen ones. I kept saying, these are the chosen ones. Okay. And so spiritually, they were there too, so we all connected.
How long has the band been together?
Well, we've been together for, I've been going through different musicians, but this set of musicians, we've been together for a few months.
Oh, months?
Yes.
Now, you sound pretty good, you know, as we listen, and
because
it was real tight.
We practice a lot.
So what's the ultimate goal for the band?
The ultimate goal is to put out a lot of hit records, tour the world, have our own show in Las Vegas.
Okay.
And the sky's the limit, television shows, our own show, just tour.
And then we'll also get to sit down with Crash Kit and see what it was like to open up for Alien Ant Farm.
And in the end, I'll be just fine.
Stay tuned for the exclusive interview with Alien Ant Farm. We'll be right back.